Hello, my name is Zach Gibson. I'm here for New Balance Baseball. This slidecast today is meant to instruct you employees on what will be expected of you during your assignment in the Caribbean. Our goal as a company is to become as big of a name in baseball goods as Nike and Rawlings in these lesser focused on areas. Our game plan for this mission is to build personal relationships with young and talented baseball players. This will occur by allowing these many times underprivileged players to sample and even play in our gear. They will like the gear because of our trust in our high-level products. As these players progress, they will continue with our products, while other young players see these stars in our products and will want to try them out as well. Obviously, the relationship will have to be built in order for this to occur. These are all Spanish-speaking countries, so a certain level of Spanish proficiency will be required for these assignments. A strategy to use while down in these Caribbean countries is to build relationships with the local yokels and have them help you find the talented players to target. When you get the opportunity to talk to these players, be respectful and kind, easy to talk to, but keep it informal. Talk about things that these young players will want to talk about, such as baseball. The players to focus on when having these conversations are the best and brightest. I want this job treated almost as if you were a baseball scout. Travel to and watch as many games as you can and meet the talented players after. Promote our brand, and this will all work out perfectly. The goal of a target audience that is 12 to 18 years old is to become popular in the next wave of great baseball players hailing from the Caribbean. In order to not intimidate these kids, we need to appear informal and approachable rather than overly professional. Each employee on this assignment will be given an entire wardrobe of New Balance gear, so you can always be branded. I want you to be a walking advertisement for the New Balance baseball brand. Before you can hop on your flight to the tropical climate, you must get a couple of things accomplished first. First priority is to pass our Spanish proficiency test. If we don't believe that you can successfully communicate with these young men, then you don't help us much down in the Caribbean. You also have to get your basics figured out, such as your passport, proper immunizations, etc. Finally, it will be expected that you have a solid amount of knowledge and prior research done on the area in which you will be assigned. So be prepared to be started on arrival. Hopefully after this screencast, you have a general understanding of what will be expected of you before we send you south. Just remember the basics, be sociable and personable, and always promote our brand, and this should be a productive yet enjoyable assignment for you. As always, go New Balance, and thank you very much.